All right, so what we're going to do today is what we did here, we're going to do over there. A little bit different because we have a little landing there, but a couple people asked about why we didn't do bevel cuts here. This here's non-load bearing, and it's just going to be holding sheets of plywood. That's all it's for, so no need to try to like shimmy that in perfectly. So it's just a matter of toenailing it and sheeting it in, and then it'll be insulated and you'll never see it. And so it doesn't matter in any way. That's why I didn't do it. Deeps.
You're welcome.
And that square.
Yes.
Deep. Deeps.
Okay.
Remember, this is kind of random here.
Now you want your board?
Yeah. Deep. Oh, that square.
Yep.
Deeps.
You're welcome, Dad.
Just kind of guess.
Measure 24 over 16 or whatever it is.
You think that's roughly going to be.
Do you want me to hold it on the line?
I don't think so. No, 73 5/8. Just a little piece to nail to. Here.
Want you nail
I
it?
guess, oh, we put a thing on.
Oh, yeah. Right. To make it easier to have more to nail to. Duh. We're idiots. Just run it now. You only got one board in.
Yeah. Frig, I forgot to put my top plate along this. I'm just gonna do it now. And I don't feel like ripping that one out. I just put like 100 nails in it.
Yeah.
All excited about it, bird season now, maybe.
Maybe, yeah.
Okay.
Getting
Not
some
thinking straight.
Yeah.
Now, you could probably come here, couldn't you?
Where?
This landing,
Okay. Throw up.
right?
I said throw up.
Like just the landing.
Yep. I just want to bring the gun so we have it ready. Right?
Can you reach it?
Nope, but I can from like closer this way.
Well, I can stand here. With my head, I think.
Yeah, and then you want the nail gun or me to nail it or? Uh-oh, we need nails.
God dang it.
All right. You want me to?
Oh, that scared me. No, I think I got it.
Get away! You make me so nervous.
Wonder how this will feel, the vibration of my neck.
And it's broken.
My brain ain't working.
Your brain's stupid and you're stupid.
Yeah, that's not going to make no difference once we do this. Because this here perks out nice with it. So this is irrelevant that that's there. Because the other board will go on it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then it'll just be here anyway.
Yeah.
You'll be going up here and down that.
Yeah.
A mark here. Oh,
You did have a mark there.
it's gone.
Before the wood was there.
The math ain't mathin'. Dip.
You're welcome.
What's the distance in this here?
Do you have to put one there?
Well, yeah.
Oh.
No.
I mean, if it wasn't the distance.
Yeah, you definitely have to. No.
Ah, you don't need to
You
then.
don't need to end all with a stud.
I just don't see it as an end.
My brain already ain't working. Don't add to it.
I know, I suppose.
Make me like, yeah, I don't.
Doesn't look like it's
Open
all
air.
Well, I didn't mean that. I meant along the edge, like all the way up.
If you don't, you'd have a gap on this wall here.
That's where I thought you should have it, is right there only, right?
You'd be missing, it's still not the right space. Just, we're fine.
Okay. Do you want me to grab it, or I'm just gonna toss it?
Just comes down and breaks me.
Then it's your fault, I'll tell you.
Yep.
You're welcome.
Where's that level? I want to check this. Oh, that's pretty good.
Need this back, honey.
Let's just block this whole floor in and make an outside entrance.
Only, yeah.
You gotta walk up there. It's just like a separate apartment.
Yeah, right.
It's a 2-apartment tiny cabin. Who's built that?
Yeah, nobody.
Yeah, that looks decent.
Yeah, I know, right? Nobody's built that because it's a stupid idea.
You were a stupid idea.
It's rude.
Ooh, that little corner's now shaping.
Peaceful. Yeah. Can we not just throw plywood on the next section and just not put any more boards and call it good? Just slap a big giant piece of plywood
This?
right there. Make
Yeah.
that a big window. Imagine we did. That'd have been a nice
I said
window.
that.
I
Like
know,
the
right?
chicken coop we did that time.
Yeah, yeah. You just put glass there.
I
or
said, imagine how
something.
much that would cost.
Yeah, yeah. Right.
We get a custom piece of glass for the cabin that's worth less than the glass.
For sure.
Oh, it's 16 on the edge. That's pretty close. It'll work. Where are you laughing at?
You holding it up high, and then I thought you were going to try and mark it down there.
Yeah.
Approximately right here.
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah.
How to, General?
Yeah. In fact, it's a how not to channel.
Yeah. A lot of how-to channels are also how not to.
Yeah.
I've watched some guys, yeah, now you do this, and okay, I wouldn't.
Yeah.
You just trust nails to hold up your floor joists. I've seen that. Maybe I'll take that square and mark those.
I'm going to go down and get you more nails because you're going to need them.
Sick. Let me just fall down the stairwell here.
Let me go stand here on the stairwell where you were going to walk by. I'm just going to go down the ladder. Just a sec, actually. Okay.
Well, I'm doing something.
I would have went down faster.
That looks right. That looks right enough.
Right enough, yeah. From here it looks, you know, mediocre. We'll go with it. We got to put the plywood in. Missed! Missed!
Throw another stud in there.
Yeah, yeah.
Does it look straight?
Yeah, ish.
Looks like it may go up that way.
A little bit.
Looks bowed, honestly.
Right, it could be then.
No, it's level.
Okay.
Coming along.
Yep.
Looks good. Right there.
Yeah.
You guys see that
Must be
gun?
right. Huh? The level? I give you more credit than you deserve, maybe. I just said
No,
must
the
be
gun.
right. Oh.
Wait, what'd you say?
I said must be right.
What's it look like?
Well, looks fine, I guess. Pull me over. Want me to go up there and hold it or something? But I would probably walk on that now that there's a wall to hold on to.
Go up
If
on
you
what?
wanted. Like I could walk on that part.
This?
Yeah. and hold it, just like to hold
I
your
don't think
measuring
you're gonna
tape.
want to be out here. It's
Oh.
harder now than it was before.
Oh, I thought it would be easier because I could hold on to something.
Well, I guess like this.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Ah! My wrist breaks right then.
Oh, drops, yeah. Yeah, that sucks. Oh, sniff your wood? You want me to sniff it?
Smells like paint or something almost.
Yeah, kinda. My work boots. My steel
Better
toe
than
puddles.
sandals.
This is true, I suppose.
Yep. Starting to look cool.
Yeah.
How am I going to actually be able to see that? You just stand on those. Okay. I wonder if it'd hold me at all.
I don't know. You sketchy man.
It's super sketchy that. 'Cause that's
Yeah.
like just nails only. I get most of my weight up here though. Oh, I guess I didn't. Most of your weight, you have a lot of weight remaining is still going there. Yeah. I actually think this would be easier up here.
Yeah. Casting for a new man for Mapleberry Farm.
Yeah.
Building projects. Send your resume.
Must
And a bad attitude.
be an idiot.
Must be an idiot, yeah.
Look at her lazy, good for nothing.
Yeah. Just to match what my husband was when he was alive.
Yeah. I don't need to freaking shoot for the stars here.
Oh, gee.
Yeah, you didn't even go down there and move those boards.
Well,
You just
I didn't
said you were
wanna be in the
gonna and
way.
then didn't do it.
I didn't want to be in the way.
I was over there. So now it's just still in the way.
I'll go down with
You
you.
passing that gun. Almost would have been easier just throw up a piece of staging right there.
Yeah, right. Too late now.
Not really.
Oh.
This is where I'm working. Too late. Maybe just pass that to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks pretty good there. Oh, shit. How you going to pass me that?
Yeah. Got it? I can go down safely.
I don't know if you want to be below me.
On me.
Hey, I don't know if you want to be below me right now.
Well. I'll let you go over.
Why don't you step on it to push that in?
Step on it?
It's gonna, because it's gonna move.
Well, hold it. It's just that piece of wood.
No,
Oh.
you walk up it and push that in so I don't get that thrill jumping over. There you go. You know what I mean?
I wanted you to push it in so I didn't have to.
But it'd be safer than me doing it. And then I just go.
Yeah, I guess so.
I got it. I'm down there. Here.
What? Why don't you leave it there? That's where you're going to be nailing it in.
You shut up.
There's no reason for it to be back here.
Yeah, there is. I don't want it to fall down.
Brr, where's the sun?
Behind clouds, I think. 4 more. 4 more, and there's 4 left.
That's not
I think I'll be able to use one of them for a couple, possibly, though. It's looking cool.
Yeah, it is.
I think something just dug into my finger. That hurts. Hurts my armpit. That hurt. All my weight was like here. Just gonna let this bone joint under my armpit hold me up.
Yeah.
How'd you bruise your armpit?
Yeah, I know that, right?
I'm not passing this again.
Really?
Let's grab this one.
Yeah, hold on. You'll be all right. Hold on to that.
Shoot this towards myself. That's safe. The easiest wall to do.
No, we knew that. $35 3/8 strong.
Oh,
No,
nope.
not quite.
Only 2 nails in it.
Yeah, right. You happen to fall through one of them, of course, eh?
Like perfectly.